Hello viewers, welcome to Jesse's Sweet Kitchen. In this channel, I will be teaching you how to make Italian and African dish with style. So please subscribe and share this video and give it a like and press the bell icon so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be first to be notified. So viewers, let's get started. In today's episode, I will be showing you how I make this my delicious spinach soup. I will be taking you through my ingredients, showing you step by step. So viewers, come with me and let us cook this food together. I can't wait to test it. Let's get started, guys. Before you start to cook your food, make sure you have everything that you need so that you will be taking everything. I have my spinach, my Hazen spinach that I've washed with hot water. I have my cow foot, my beef. I have some chicken and some abodi and shake that I will be using. So I have a smoked mackerel and smoked turkey. Here I have my shrimp powder and my chili pepper and my crayfish powder. In here I have my diced onions, my Hazen spicy cube, my diced ginger and garlic. I have 2 seasoning that I will be using, salt and some extra flavor mixed spices. I have some palm oil. So first of all, cook your meat until it gets tender. I will be cooking my meat with the Hazen cube, these mixed spices, the ginger, and some onions. I had diced 2 onions. I will not be using everything to cook the meat. So I will be putting the one seasoning cube. I will be adding the turkey so that for all the flavor will cook together. Put water, enough water that you need, that you know that it will be enough for you to cook the meat. So put it into your gas and allow it to cook until it gets tender. So as you can see, I'm adding one seasoning cube so that for the flavor of the meat. The other one will use it later. I didn't show where I put my ice cube. So add water, enough water, and allow it to cook until the meat is tender. So my meat is cooked. I put a pot in my fire and I add the oil. I don't allow it to bleach, just hot. Add your onions, stir it together, and put your spinach. Stir everything together and cover it and allow it to cook like 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, put your meat and the liquid and stir it together. Add your shrimp powder, your seasoning cube, and your crayfish powder and your chili pepper. Taste for salt and add your seasoning and your salt. So cover it and allow it to cook for additional 5 to 7 minutes. As you can see, until there is no water in it. As you can see, mine is cooked perfectly. There is no water. So it is ready, guys. Off your gas and let's get started to eat the food. As you can see it, guys, it is ready. I can't wait to eat it. So I will be eating mine with a bar today. So let's give it a taste. It's very sweet, guys. It's very sweet. Very delicious. It's delicious, guys. Come and join me. Come and join me. It's very sweet. So viewers, I assure you, when you make it like this, you will not think of making other spinach in any other way. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, share it to your friends and your family, give it a like, press all bell notifications so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be first to be notified. And follow me in my other social media platform in the description box down below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.